Hey, this is Ken DiLoretto here to help you encourage participation. There are lots of tips to deal with this, and we're going to share a few of them here. The reason? It's one of the biggest fears for most people leading virtual sessions. Will my audience actually engage? Will they participate? Or will I hear crickets? So let's look at 3 different tips, starting first with establishing participation norms. You want to make sure that you state up front how the session is going to go, what you're going to be expecting, that it's interactive, and the different ways in which they can interact with you, and then giving them an overview of that. And get them engaged as soon as possible. Don't do what so many people do in a workshop or a session, which is say, we want this to be a conversation, so please hold all your questions until the end. You want to actually show them that you mean what you say in terms of having them participate. Next is signaling. This can be used throughout. It's done with both your words and your tone of voice, where you make a shift in how you're saying something or dramatically change your tone to pull them back in. Folks, it's normal for people to lose focus. What we have to do is use all the tools we have to bring them back in. So what that may sound like is, okay, so we're all going to go to the chat now and ... You can also do this by using someone's name and referring to a previous comment they made. Notice I'm not saying you're calling on them, but I'm saying something like, so as Susan had said earlier, and when people hear a name, they start to sit up. Do that throughout and you'll keep more people engaged. And then finally, directing traffic. I've seen so many leaders of a virtual session tell people, okay, so I'd like to hear from you so you can talk or you can go to chat. It's confusing to our audience. So actually tell them the one way, the one place you want them to go each particular time and direct the traffic. Okay, folks, so we're all going to go to chat now and I want to hear from all of you, ... And you'll see that people are clearer and they know how to engage. So I look forward to hearing some of your tips about encouraging participation. There are lots of things I imagine you've discovered, and as a result, we'll all get smarter. See you soon.